Meaning of grayish.
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 Grayish. Grayish is an adjective used to describe something that is somewhat gray in color, but not fully or distinctly so. It can also refer to a dull or muted version of a color that contains some gray tones. The word grayish suggests a degree of ambiguity or lack of clarity, as if the exact shade or hue cannot be easily defined or distinguished. For example, a grayish sky might be one that is overcast and gloomy, while a grayish-green might be a dull, muted version of the color associated with nature.